To copy apps on the Samsung A37 5G, you can only do this by using the secure folder feature. So how it looks, you will have to open the settings. Now you will have to go into the security and privacy settings, then go for more security settings, and you will have to go for secure folder. So now you will have to open it. If you are using this for the first time, I can just recommend you to read the description, click continue. You will have to grant all of those permissions. And now as you can see, it's going to start creating that folder. It will take around 30 seconds. Now, when this creation process is finished, you will have to select a password. So for me, I will just get a simple pattern. We have to input our password twice. Now we can additionally enable that option to reset that screen lock with Samsung account. Very useful if we often forget our passwords. But for me, of course, I'm not gonna forget this one because it's like super simple. Now we have to click next and select the behavior. So what happens when a secure folder is locked? What I can recommend you to close all apps while locked to don't get anything in the background. Now click done. So now if you want to copy any of the application, you will have to click on the plus and you can pick this application here. So for example, I want to copy my Gmail. I have to click add. Now the Gmail is available here, and take a look. If I'm gonna open it here, then there's like no any account. But if I'm gonna open the Gmail application outside that secure folder, I can find my Google account, which means that we successfully copied this app.